Dear Michael,
Dear Allison,
Dear Martin family,
Dear Chris and Paley,
I was so scared.
so lonely. But you stepped up.
You brought me into your house
Your family
and gave me a home,
gave me a safe, cozy place to sleep.
tastier treats than I ever knew existed.
The world's best ear scratches.
Yeah. And love.
Lots of love.
You stepped up in this crazy time and saved me.
And maybe I saved you a little too.
And whether this is a temporary situation,
Or whether, like me, you're hoping this is a forever thing.
I wanted to say
thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.